A patient weighing 13 kilograms has an order for 350 milligrams of an IV antibiotic to be given every 6 hours. The safe daily dose range of this antibiotic is 50 to 100 milligrams per kilogram per day. What is the safe dose range for this patient in a 24-hour period? What is the total ordered daily dose? Is this dose safe in a 13 kilogram patient? Let's not get overwhelmed by the amount of information here. We're not going to need to use everything given all at once. In the first question, they ask for the safe dose range in a 24-hour period. So we use the given safe daily dose range of 50 to 100 milligrams per kilogram per day because it's already in terms of how much to give per day, a 24-hour period, right? They also give us how much the patient weighs, 13 kilograms. So using the dimensional analysis technique, we're going to begin setting up like this. Our lower limit was 50 milligrams per kilogram per day. Our upper limit is 100 milligrams per kilogram per day times the patient's weight, which is 13 kilograms. Remember, if it's alone, we can just put it over 1 to keep it in fraction form. We do the same thing with our upper limit. And now you see we can cancel out the like terms, kilograms with kilograms. We're left with what we want. How many milligrams per day? That's going to be your safe dose range. We multiply straight across. 50 times 13 is 65 milligrams per day. And 100 times 13 is 1,300 milligrams per day. So, the safe dose range for this patient in a 24-hour period is 65 to 1,300 milligrams per day. When they ask for the total ordered daily dose, we see the order is for 350 milligrams every 6 hours. Well, what exactly does that mean in terms of a daily dose? If there are 24 hours in a day, we divide 24 by 6 and we get 4. That means that the patient is going to be given this dose of 350 milligrams 4 times a day, every 6 hours. So what we have to do is 350 milligrams times 4. And we get 1,400 milligrams. Remembering from the previous question that our safe dose range was 65 to 1,300 milligrams per day, we can see that 1,400 is over our limit. It's outside of this safe dose range. So when they ask this question, is this dose safe in a 13 kilogram patient, our answer is no. It is not safe. It is outside our maximum limit that's safe. A 4.5 kilogram infant has an order for 110 milligrams every 6 hours of an oral suspension. The vial states that the safe maximum daily dose in children under 15 kilograms is 100 milligram per kilogram per day. What is the daily dose this infant is receiving? What is the safe maximum daily dose of this oral suspension for a 4.5 kilogram infant? Is this ordered dose safe? We're going to approach this problem the same way as we did the previous one. The first question asks, what is the daily dose this infant is receiving? So we look at what was ordered, 110 milligrams every 6 hours. That means that in a 24-hour period, they're getting this dose 4 times, right? So 4 times 110 equals 440. Daily, this infant is receiving 440 milligrams. The next question asks, what is the safe maximum daily dose of this oral suspension for a 4.5 kilogram infant? The previous question asked us for a range. This actually is going to be easier because it's just asking for the maximum. So we don't have to do it twice for a lower and upper limit, we just have to do it once. 100 milligrams per kilogram per day. Remember, we're going to use dimensional analysis, so that means we're looking to cancel out these kilograms. To do that, we're going to use the weight of the patient, 4.5 kilograms. We'll put that over 1. Get rid of the kilograms, multiplying straight across. Remember our little trick with the decimal point, right? 4.5 times 100, we've got 1 2 zeros. So we can just move the decimal place over 2 times. Right? So 100 times 4.5 is 450 milligrams per day. That is our safe daily maximum, 450 milligrams. So if this is our safe max, and this is actually what the patient is being given, we can see 440 is below our maximum. So it's safe, right? This ordered dose is indeed safe.